Welcome to the last video. In this video we will see how we really gonna use the model. So basically what we saw in the last video is that we use Colab and the Python environment and the training data to get a model and a model header file and a names header file. And now we're gonna go back to our tiny machine learning kit again, and we're gonna run this program again. I will put it in the comments where you can find all these files. And you have in the same directory, you also paste the model.h header file and the names.h header file. And if you run this, if you compile this program and put it on your machine learning kit, and please be aware, this takes a long time, can be 2, 3, 4 minutes. It's awful. If you then upload it, compile it and upload it, and if you then look at the serial monitor, you see that it's already working. So it's outputting. In this example, I've pronounced the A and after that the A, so the Dutch A and E. And it works actually quite good. So that's the end. Have fun. Bye bye.